For every minor inconvenience, there's a gadget out there to make your life a little bit easier. If you're familiar with Amazon, though, you'll know that not everything you order is going to be very durable or even helpful for that matter. However, among all the junk and cheap knockoffs, there are diamonds in the rough. So if you've been looking for things that you can't live without or have an extra $30 laying around, then look no further. Whether you're looking for a gift for a friend or something to treat yourself, it's all here. So get your wallet and get ready to have your mind blown because we're about to show you the top 5 items on Amazon you need for under $30. Coming in at number 5, HUION 420 OSU Tablet. Look, quality gadgets are hard to come by, especially when you're trying to save some coin. But chances are you'll probably be just as impressed as reviewers are with this $24 budget tablet complete with a responsive, battery-powered stylus. You know, art can be hard to get into and almost impossible without the right tools. So if you feel more comfortable with digital art and want an alternative to the sticker shock a professional piece might cause you, this may be a good choice for you. Compatible with both Windows and Mac OS and excellent for drawing, sketching, editing photos, and so much more. The best part, you can use it right out of the box. Setup is impossibly easy. Happy drawing. Number 4, TileMate. In this increasingly busy world, it's getting easier and easier to lose track of stuff. Whether it be having too much stuff or perhaps you're simply the forgetful kind, you'd be surprised how many people lose track of their belongings. And that's where the TileMate comes in. Attached to an app on your phone, you'll be able to find just about anything with its convenient location services for just $24.99. This is one of those life-changing items you can't miss out on. You need to make sure you don't lose your phone, too. The setup is easy, made for simple app usage, built for everyone to use. You don't need to have a tech degree to feel ready to use this gadget. The item is compatible with plenty of systems, meaning just about everyone can use it. How useful! Now, before we continue with the list, I've got a question for those of you watching. What's a small thing you've picked up that improved your life drastically without breaking the bank? Do you have something you picked up that you just can't live without? Some things might seem insignificant, but there are always better ways to do things or minor issues that we overlook that can be solved easily by simply acquiring the proper gadget for it. Go ahead, let us know down in the comments below what you've discovered, because maybe you can solve that annoying problem in someone else's life too. Moving right along, number 3, the Magic Bullet Blender. Blenders can be wielded to take up too much space. Sometimes you want to shake, but you don't want to have to clear off the counter to make it happen, right? It would be nice to have a smoothie magically appear in front of you, now wouldn't it? But we don't really have the magic wand technology at the moment. You can, however, have a Magic Bullet at the ready, compact and ready to go straight out of the box. This mini blender is perfect for tight spaces and easy assembly. Even easier is pulling it apart to clean it up. Long gone are the days of cumbersome appliances. For just $30, you can have the convenience right at your fingertips. Who needs a fairy godmother? And you can just take care of it yourself. Now, if you've made it this far in the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, because guess what? We're putting out new and exciting tech videos that you definitely won't want to miss each and every week. Number 2, Greely Silicone Folding Cup. On the go, sometimes it's not easy to grab a cup of coffee, right? Either you're stuck with a cup in your center console, or you have trash littering up your car. Chances are, on a long drive, you're probably gonna grab a bite to eat as well, and you don't wanna deal with your Yeti from the morning. So if you're looking for something simple, easy, and eco-friendly, this silicone folding cup might be for you. For only $12, you'll have a heat-holding cup that doesn't take up valuable space. Being made of silicone, it means it's easy to clean and even easier to hold. And when you're done, fold it up, put it away. Simple as that. Now, before we get on to number 1 on the list, we have a few items for you that didn't quite make the video, but they're still worth an honorable mention. Some of these were just out of the range or almost made the list. Some of the memorable ones include this Pro Lens Kit at $44.99. It's not quite perfect for this list, but still, if you've ever wanted to take professional quality photos or you're looking to step up your Insta game, this is great. It's low cost and you can do it without having to buy an expensive camera. Another item that didn't quite make it was the Chef and Sweet Spot Ice Cream Maker. Now, maybe this wouldn't change your life, but it's a fun gadget to bring out when you're entertaining. This is the easiest way to make ice cream, and a flashy way at that. $44.95 gets you a pan that can make you ice cream in minutes. It's great for parties or if you have kids who are hard to impress. It's fun for everyone involved. Plus, you can try a wide array of flavors, milk options, and so much more. Really, the sky's the limit. Okay, here we are. At number 1, we have the Sleep Headphones Bluetooth 5.0 Wireless 3D Eye Mask. Sleeping at night is often a bit of a hassle, especially when you're around a partner or you're a music listener who doesn't want to deal with the uncomfortable headphones or to disturb roommates. This mask is the gadget to have, and it's just $20. The sleep headphones solve issues across the board when you're sleeping. Between a comfortable mask that blocks out light, subtle and soft headphones that make you forget you're even wearing them. The tiny speakers are for your ears only. They won't disturb your partner or the people around you. And great to have that peace of mind, right? So whether it be from saving you the trouble of junking up your car or helping you be a little less forgetful, you don't need to break the bank to make your life just a little bit easier, and you don't have to do it alone. Amazon can have these items at your doorstep in 2 days without having to put yourself in debt. So before you tear your house apart looking for your keys, or you need to pull a significant clunky appliance out onto your already too small counter space, maybe check out a few of these affordable upgrades available on Amazon. Or even check out the comments below and see if anyone else has that one life-changing item they found for a spare buck or two. Worst case, it's not going to alter your entire life, but you've got a new handy gadget or even a perfect gift idea for that difficult-to-shop-for family member. Go ahead and click on one of the on-screen videos right now to watch more of the exciting tech videos we have to offer. Please subscribe to the channel.